Fundamental analysis is a method of evaluating a stock's intrinsic value by examining various economic, financial, and qualitative factors related to a company. The goal is to determine whether a stock is overvalued or undervalued in the market. Here are some key aspects of fundamental analysis. Financial statements. 1. Income statement examines a company's revenue, expenses, and profitability over a specific period. 2. Balance sheet provides a snapshot of a company's assets, liabilities, and equity at a specific point in time. 3. Cash flow statement shows how changes in balance sheet and income statements affect cash and cash equivalents. Earnings per share, EPS. 1. Calculated by dividing a company's net income by the number of outstanding shares. 1. It reflects the company's profitability on a per-share basis. Price to earnings, PE, ratio. 1. Indicates how much investors are willing to pay for each dollar of earnings. 1. A lower PE ratio may suggest an undervalued stock, but it should be considered in the context of the industry and company's growth prospects. Dividend yield. 1. The annual dividend payment divided by the stock's current price. 1. Companies paying consistent dividends may be attractive for long-term investors seeking income. Growth prospects. 1. Analyze a company's historical and projected earnings growth. 1. Look for companies with sustainable growth potential in their industry. Competitive analysis. 1. Evaluate a company's position in its industry, market share, and competitive advantages. 1. Understand the industry's dynamics and the company's ability to stay ahead. Management quality. 1. Assess the experience and track record of the company's management. 1. Look for signs of shareholder-friendly practices and ethical behavior. Debt levels. 1. Analyze a company's debt-to-equity ratio to assess its financial leverage. 1. High levels of debt may increase risk. Macroeconomic factors. 1. Consider broader economic factors that could impact the company, such as interest rates, inflation, and geopolitical events. It's essential to note that fundamental analysis is a long-term investment strategy. A stock's price in the short term may be influenced by market sentiment, but fundamental analysis aims to identify stocks with strong underlying fundamentals that have the potential for long-term growth. It's also advisable to diversify your investment portfolio to spread risk and not rely solely on one stock. Before making any investment decisions, it's recommended to do thorough research or consult with a financial advisor. Always consider your risk tolerance, investment goals, and time horizon.